Muli mutya mwenna? This is Teacher Miko. Welcome to the Field of Ideas. The program is Field of Ideas where we talk about different things. Leero nsize nga nina ekibuuzo kye njagala obuuzako abakazi. The Bible says, Bible etugamba nti abakazi mugonderenga abasajja bammwe oba babba bammwe, n'abasajja mwagalenga abakazi bammwe. Ekibuuzo kye nzize nakyo kiri direct nnyo era ngenda kibuuza direct ku bakazi. Direct. It's nothing like beating around the bush, you get? Tejenjagala obabuuza abakazi ani yabagamba nti kati ekyo ekigambo mukikyuseemu muddemu ate mukole ebyammwe. Bayibuli egamba abasajja mwagalenga abakazi bammwe naye abakazi mugonderenga babba bammwe. But you're there, instead of respecting your husband, you want you to make you to be the overall. Nti gwasalirawo omusajja baawo gwamukolera buli kimu. Kitegeera? Oyagala buli kimu gwaba akisalawo. Who told you that things can move in that manner? No way. There is no way. You were only directed to submit, respect. You get? Submit and respect. Be submissive. Be respectful. Men are very simple creatures, by the way, if you never knew. For us men, we do interpret submission as love. We do interpret respect as love. Just submit to your man. Just be there to accept, to respect, and the man is going to interpret that as love. Nga ne bw'aba agenzeewo ayagala kudda ewaka mangu awoza kimu, omukazi wange anjagala nnyo, omukazi wange anjagala nnyo, which is not the case. For you are submitting, but the guy is interpreting submission as love. Kitegeera? Kikyo kyennyini kye mulina okukola. Noddawo okusumba omusajja, you are there, the guy doesn't love me nowadays, the guy... You're the one who is doing the wrong thing. And you need to accept that. There is no man under the earth that will accept a lady to be the overall. Gwasalawo, kyoyogedde toyagala omuntu mulala akiseemu, akicorrecting, akiteekeko. No way, you cannot win. Sikulimba tosobola winninga. I bet on that you cannot win. There is no man that will accept that. Okujjako nga wamukolera eddagala n'omukwata omutwe gwe nga tategeera. Ne bw'abeera mulema nga talina mikono, talina bigere, tatambula. Era naye tagenda kikiriza. There is that ego that is natural with men. They cannot accept a lady to be the overall, for you to be making decisions for them. No way. I tell you the truth, there's no way. The marriage will they rather lose the marriage other than losing their respect. Nze nkugambye, he will rather lose that marriage than losing the respect. Aya. You should be understanding that today. For us, we were born to rule over. A man was created to love his wife, and a wife was made to submit to her husband. Kati gwe bbawo akugambye, this and this you will not be done in this manner. You're there. Let me tell you something, ladies. Men have their own problems. Men have your problems. Men have the problems of your kids. one head is carrying more than four different problems. You're there shouting at them. You're there quarreling, creating, making the house to be hostile. And you expect that that guy is going to stay there with you? No way. No way. Yeah, I'm telling you, there is no way. We'll make either, okay, if everything is hard, then you will accept it to, he'll accept you to be the wife, but in a long distance relationship. Yeah, we don't run short of ideas. We'll either decide to go and look for a job somewhere else, far from you. You remain as a wife, but far from him. You meet once in a while. That's if you meet someone who can understand. Because there are those who don't want to pain you, they cannot beat you, but the truth of the matter is that they dislike your what? Your behaviors. And because they can, at times they have tried to talk to you, you are not changing, just decides to go. And that's all. And that's what has made most of the marriages right now to end after 2 months, after 1 year, after 2 years. Single mothers are everywhere. They are the ones that are very many. They don't even realize their problems. They only realize that they only think that the problems are men. We are not the problems, you girls. You are the problems, not us. For us, we try to do our part, but you are failing us. Unlike the few who don't understand themselves. But the biggest percentage of men have tried their level best, and you are the one failing them. And I will bet on this: the more you will continue being big-headed, the more you will remain and stay single mothers. Because we shall not accept. And already we refused. I told you there is an ego. There is an ego that is natural in men, that they cannot accept what you think. They cannot accept. It's a secret I'm giving you, but that is the truth. And the truth will remain the truth. And because you don't want to hear the truth, come in the comment section and abuse me, but me, I've told you, they will not accept. You will still remain as a single mother. I came in peace. You are free to comment anything.